What's up guys? If you're doing a Pro Grill swap on your 6th Gen 4Runner, you need to watch this. Today we're going to talk about the 4Runner grill and how putting a Pro Grill on a TRD Off-Road or TRD Sport or any of the other models can affect your camera location and what products we have to help address the issue that comes with moving your camera. So if you look here, this is the location of the original grill camera. It's a lot lower. When you add a Pro Grill from Toyota, so an OEM grill, it actually moves it up here. We've put a little plug in this one. But when we first did our first install video, we moved the camera up here and it works fine. The 360 view is a little bit distorted, so not ideal. It bugs some more than others. So we have a few different solutions for that. First being, if you do want to move it up, we've got an extended camera harness because the harness that's included on your front end is not going to be long enough to reach up here. And so we've got this available on the website. The other awesome option is we have a whole lower grill that instead of doing one 20-inch light bar across this location here, we split it up into two 6-inch bars and we retain that camera position right there. So you're not going to have that distorted 360 image on your screen, but you still get the whole pro look on the front end of the 4Runner. Bummer being you lose a little bit of light bar real estate right here, but we've introduced a few new light products that can really put out a ton of lighting. If you really want to keep your same light output and not worry about your camera, we can do that too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions about the 4Runner, the camera issues, how each different grill option that we sell can affect that, and we'd be happy to help you out.